We serve the everyday user who wants to just capture those special moments on camera, all the way through to scientific discoveries. Western Digital designs, manufactures, and sells data storage solutions, bringing 3 Fortune 500 size companies together. We needed a next generation solution. We did an inventory and there were 2,000 plus applications across these 3 companies. We wanted a streamlined process. We wanted something end-to-end from the point you capture the data to the point you want to report out the data. Being able to leverage out of the box was another key factor for us. Once we chose Oracle ERP Cloud, then the Oracle suite made sense as well. Initially, when we developed our solution, it was an 8.5-hour refresh time for our data warehouse. And we were able to get that refresh time down to 20 minutes. So we have operational reporting that's real time, and then we have analytical reporting, which is available within 20 minutes, which is unheard of. No one can refresh their company data warehouse for a company this size in 20 minutes, and we can do it. We were able to cut down from 15,000 plus cost centers down to around 3,000 cost centers. So if we can use machine learning and AI to be able to take all that work out for people, then they can actually be financial analysts who do financial forecasts instead of data consolidators. We love innovation, we love new technology, we love the cloud, and it just felt natural for us to move forward with Oracle.